Okay guys, quick YouTube video of how I got myself stuck. Front steer tire was in there. Had to take this post out. Got the dozer gonna pull me out. I had to unload the dozer because, well, my grandpa had the bright idea of bringing in a whole bunch of dirt right here to fill in this little dip, and it just turned into a mud hole. Anyhow, enough complaining. We're gonna get this thing unstuck. Got a little thing over there. I had to unload the dozer. So normally people won't show you this kind of thing, but I gotta show you because, you know, this is something everybody's gonna do once in their life if they're running a business. Stuff like this. Nobody's here to help me out, so I'm pretty much just winging it on my own. That's how I got the steering wheel hold straight. So I sawed these trees down out of the way. Let's get these out of the way. Okay, there it is. There she's stuck. Let's pull her out with the dozer. Ugh. Stop right there. Put the blade down. Keep me from going anywhere. Okay. Now we have to adjust the steering on the dump truck. What a fun, epic job, guys. This is why it's so difficult to be a one-man show. Because stuff is gonna happen and you gotta be a MacGyver, thinking everything through. Okay. That should hold the wheel straight. I don't know if you guys can even see this, but whatever. This is my best attempt to show you guys. Not straight enough. Dang it. Okay, right there will be good. That way. Anyways, that's how I'm gonna keep the steering wheel straight, somewhat straight. I'm gonna have to back up and reposition the dozer. That way I clear it. That was, I can't really pick the trailer deck up either because I don't have my jack on me. Okay, let's hold it right there. Put the blade back down, neutral. Okay guys, I think I've got myself unstuck for the most part. I think I'm through the mud. This has all been graveled. That's how I can have the traction to pull. Yeah, it looks like I'm on the hard stuff now. Thank goodness, because this was just a disaster, but looks like we managed to get ourselves out of it, guys. Thank goodness. Anyhow, I'm gonna pick up my stuff. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We got it unstuck. See, look, gravel right underneath that. Why did they put dirt right on top of gravel? I mean, that makes no sense to me, but the dip was better than this. because this, you're just gonna get stuck in this. I'm gonna have to come by and scrape this out with the dozer and then fill it in with some gravel or something, but it's got to be scraped out because this is not happening every time I come in here. Anyhow, guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to pound that like button, pound the subscribe button. You've seen it here first. Nobody's ever going to show you anything like this. This is real world scenarios, guys. So you just got to be thinking on your feet, and you got to be prepared for anything, realistically. That's just the way being an owner operator works. You know, this is just, that's what you got to do. Thank goodness I had the dozer and not the backhoe, because I mean, the backhoe probably would have done it, but it wouldn't have done it that slick. Anyhow, you just got to think, you got to think on your toes. And I have to swing wide in order to get through those two posts. So, you know, cutting it short was not an option. That's just how it had to work. Anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this. And hope you enjoyed the video. Share it on your social media however you want. Dumb guy gets stuck, or, you know, owner operator thinks his way out of a muddy situation, or whatever you want to say. I thought it was pretty sweet how I got unstuck, but I'll let you guys be the judge of that in the comments section. And thank you to all the weekend warriors and hard workers out there. Anyways, catch you later. Bye.